experiment on titration, we will need vinegar. We have about 5% acidity in this vinegar. This is about 16 fluid ounce, 1 pint or 473 ml of solution. We need baking soda, net weight it is 8 ounce, 227 grams is in this baking soda. The amount of sodium or sodic in this is about 6 grams. And then you need baking powder. This is about net weight of 3.5 ounce, which is 100 grams. We have about 2% sodium or sodic in this baking powder. We need spoons, tablespoons and teaspoons, and we need cup. You can get any cup